tells me I am his own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. He speaks, and the sound of his voice is so sweet, the birds hush their singing, and the melody that he gave to me within my heart is ringing. And he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me I am his own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. I'd stay in the garden with him, though the night around me be falling, but he bids me go through the voice of woe. His voice to me is calling, and he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me I am his own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. It was the eve of Christmas, the snow lay deep and white. I sat beside my window and looked into the night. I heard the church bells ringing, I saw the bright stars shine, and childhood came again to me with all its dreams divine. Then as I listened to the bells and watched the skies afar, out of the east majestical there rose one radiant star, and every other star grew pale before that heavenly glow. It seemed to bid me follow, and I could not choose but go. It seemed to bid me follow, and I could not choose but go. From street to street it led me, by many a mansion fair. It shone through dingy casement on many a garret bare. From highway unto highway, through alleys dark and cold, and where it shone the darkness was flooded all with gold. Sad hearts forgot their sorrow, rough hearts grew soft and mild, and weary home at last beyond those starry skies. And then methought earth faded, I rose as borne on wings. Beyond the waste of ruined lives, the press of human things. Above the toil and shadow, above the want and woe, my old self and its darkness seemed left on earth below. And onward, upward shone the star, until it seemed to me it flashed upon the golden gate and o'er the crystal sea. And when the gates rolled backward, I stood where angels trod. It was the star of Bethlehem, had led me up to God. The star fingers wandered idly over the noisy keys. I know not what I was playing, or what I was dreaming then, but I struck one chord of music like the sound of a great amen, like the sound of a great amen. It flooded the crimson twilight like the close of an angel's song, and it lay on my fevered spirit with a touch of infinite calm. It quieted pain and sorrow like love overcoming strife. It seemed a harmonious echo from a discordant life. It linked all perplexed meanings into one perfect peace, and trembled away into silence as if it were loath to cease. I have sought, but I seek it vainly, that one lost chord divine, which came from the soul of the organ and entered into mine. It may be that death's bright angel will speak in that chord again. It may be that only in heaven I shall hear that grand organ. It may be that death's bright angel will speak in that chord again. It may be that only in heaven I shall hear that grand amen. In our village Christmas time, I says to several mates, look here lads, I says I, now what about some waits? We gets a carol, learns it up, and on an evening wintry, we muffles up and sallies forth to try it on the gentry. Good King Wenceslas looked out, sings we with splendid power. Several neighbors looked out too to see what all the row were. We sings forte, sounded like 100, even in the soft bits how we thundered. Builder bass, he earned his face, we thought that it were torn, but all agree there were none like we to hail the happy morn. Perkins took the treble line, a lovely voice he scout. I were tenor, Bill were bass, and Fred were all the lot. He wandered up and down the scale, but still he rather marred it, because he never knowed no words, and so he la-la-la'd it. La-la-la-la-la, looked out, sings he with splendid power. Several neighbors looked out too to see what all the row were. We sings forte, sounded like 100, even in the soft bits how we thundered. Every line got worse and worse, but though we all felt worn, yet all agree there were none like we to hail the happy morn. Still we never got no cash, which didn't seem quite just, seeing we stood there for hours a-singing fit to bust. Then our policeman, old Bob Bates, comes up a-scowling proper. Good old Bob, young Perkins said, at last we've got a copper. Good King Wenceslas, look out, he still keeps on recording. Bob says, yes, you'll look out too, it's seldom I heard morning. Then a change came on the situation. Bob got nasty and took us to the station. Look here, Bates, where Christmas waits, I says to him with scorn. He says with a sneer, well, wait it here, and greet the happy morn. I have come from the silent forest, my beautiful lotus flower, and I stand in thy garden sighing. It is the lover's hour. Thy sisters are lotus blossoms, they ope to the moon above. Open thy window, beloved, and let me tell my love. Open thy window, beloved, and let me tell my love. Let me tell my love. I have knelt in the mighty temples, but the dumb gods make no sign. They cannot speak to my spirit as thy soul speaks to mine. And the priests talk of nirvana and weave their mystic charms. I only know nirvana within thy loving flower perish, the stars turn cold and grey, the dumb gods will be shattered, the temples old decay, but we shall be one, beloved, in the stream of life divine. But we shall be one, beloved, we shall be one in the stream of life divine. As the river flows to the ocean, my soul shall flow to thine. As the river flows to the ocean, my soul shall flow to thine. Set my hands upon the plough, my feet upon the sod. Turn my face towards the east, and praise be to God. Every year the rains do fall, the seeds they stir and spring. Every year the spreading trees shelter birds that sing. From the shelter of your heart, brother, drive out sin. Let the little birds of faith come and nest therein. God has made his sun to shine on both you and me. God who took away my eyes, that my soul might see. that you love so well, dear, you that I worship so. Oh, we came up from Somerset to see the great review. There was Mary dressed in her Sunday best and her boy Billy too. The drums were rolling rub-a-dub, the trumpets toot-toot-toot, when right up rode his Majesty and says, "And who be you?" Oh, we come up from Somerset, where the cider apples grow. We come to see your Majesty and how the world do go. And when you're wanting anyone, if you kindly let us know, we'll all come up from Somerset, because we love you so. Then the Queen, she looked at Mary, and "What's your name?" she said. But Mary blushed like any rose and hung a pretty head. So I ups and nudges Mary, "Speak up and tell her do." So she said, "If you please, your Majesty, my name is Mary too." And we come up from Somerset, where the cider apples grow, where the gals can hem and sew and stitch, and also reap and hoe. And if you're wanting any gals, and you kindly let us know, we'll all come up from Somerset, because we love you so. Then the King looked down at Billy Boy before they rode away. And what is he going for to be? His Majesty did say. So Billy pulled his forelock and stood up trim and true. "Oh, I'm going to be a soldier, sir, for I want to fight for you." We come up from Somerset, where the cider apples grow, for all the king's men in Somerset, as they were long ago. And when you're wanting soldier boys, and there's fighting for to do, you just send word to Somerset, and we'll all be up for you. that made me love Mary, nor rose of Tralee. The cucciae Davin in their mantle were spreading, and Mary, all smiling, was listening to me, and the moon through the valley her pale ray was shedding, when I won the heart of the Rose of Tralee, lovely and fair as the rose of the summer, yet 'twas not her beauty alone that won me. Oh, no, drive, and hear the harness jingle when I was man alive. Aye, the horses trample, the harness jingles no chains though you lie under the land you used to plough. Is football playing along the river shore, with lads to chase the leather, now I stand up no more. Aye, the ball is flying, the lads play hard and slow, the goal stands up, the keeper stands up to keep the goal. Is my girl happy that I thought hard to leave? And has she tired of weeping as she lies down at eve? Aye, she lies down lightly, she lies not down to weep. Your girl is well contented, be still, my lad, and sleep. Is my friend hearty now I am thin and fine? And has he found to sleep in a better bed than mine? Yes, lad, I lie easy, I lie as lads would choose. I cheer a dead man's sweet heart. Never ask me whose. As I walked home on a summer night when stars in heaven were shining bright, far away from the footlights' glare, into the sweet and scented air of a quaint old Cornish town. Borne from afar on the gentle breeze, joining the murmur of a summer seas, distant tones of an old world dance, played by the village band perchance, on a comer came floating down. I thought I could hear the curious tone of a cornet, clarinet, and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium, far away as in a trance. I heard the sound of the floral dance, and soon I heard such a bustling and a prancing, and then I saw the whole village was dancing. In and out of the houses they came, old folk, young folk, all the same, in that quaint old Cornish town. Every boy took a girl round the waist and hurried her off in a tremendous haste. Whether they knew one another I care not, whether they cared at all I know not. But they kissed as they danced along. And there was a band with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet, and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium. each one making the most of his chance, all together in the floral dance. So lonely standing there, and I could only stand and stare, for I had no maid with me. Lonely I should have to be in that quaint old Cornish town. When suddenly hastening down a lane, a figure I knew I saw quite plain. With outstretched hands I rushed along, and carried her into that merry throng, and fill and go went dancing down. We danced to the band with the curious tone of the cornet, clarinet, and big trombone. Fiddle, too, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium, each one making the most of his chance, all together in the floral dance. Dancing here, prancing there, jigging, jogging everywhere, up and down and round the town. Hurrah for the Cornish